And welcome back to our channel. Well, today I'm going to be giving you an update on the garden. It's crazy. It is crazy. This is what Sean and I did today. We planted corn. Sweet corn to be exact. And tomorrow, say hi Penelope, we are going to be planting pumpkins. So this right here is going to be our pumpkin patch. And as the sprinklers are going, because I just couldn't do it anymore, coming out here every day with the hose, I really couldn't. It was killing me. Here we planted zucchini and eggplant. We have a few sprouts. I'll show you. I hope I don't get too wet. We have a few sprouts there and there. And look at our potato patch. Look at the craziness of the potato patch. Look at it. It's crazy. It's absolutely 100% crazy. And over here, I wanted to give you an update on the crookneck yellow squash and the cucumber plant that we have over here. As you know, as I did in a previous video, it got attacked by squash bugs. Guess what? I don't think that there is any coming back from it at all. At all. Now, the zucchini plant came back beautifully. New growth and all, right? Not the crookneck yellow squash or the cucumber. So sad to say, I think they're going to have to be taken out. I really do. Oh, my neighbor's dog is out. Hang on. Over here is the okra. Look how tall and beautiful, majestic it looks. It's amazing. Love it, love it, love it. And ooh, 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 look, look, look. Look, I want to show you. Look. Look. How beautiful. Look at all these peppers. Look at them. How adorable. How adorable. Yay. So we've got a few peppers growing on this plant alone. Hello, Mr. Lizard. And then over here on the blonde bell pepper plant. Look at that. And then look at these beauties. Look. So one of my subscribers had asked for an update on the garden. So I'm giving it to you, sweetheart. I am. So the tomato plant has got some blossoms blossoming. So that's wonderful. And then look at these gigantic, enormous monstrosity of bananas. The trees are just, oh my goddess, yes. They're crazy. They are crazy. But the fig trees are looking wonderful. The raspberries, they don't like to social distance. They don't. They just want to vine and touch everybody. So they're not paying attention and doing what they're supposed to be doing. So I don't know what to do with those. I really don't. They're trying to touch the figs, and the figs just aren't having it today. Really not a sin. The herbs are doing wonderfully. The parsley, because I had to, whoop, hang on, sprinkler, yay! God sakes, help me. I'm getting soaked over here. Oh my God. Hurry up, run. I just transplanted all of the herbs into the garden, and they took really well. I got to get out of here before he comes back and gets me. Hang on. And then over here, we have some pepper seeds that I planted over here. Nothing is growing yet, but then again, it hasn't really been 2 weeks. Romaine. I planted some more, I think these were more zucchini. Yes, more zucchini in here. And then here is more cucumber, pepper over here, and the cucumber. Oh my God, help me. So yeah, we're getting in over our heads. But once these guys are like maybe 2 more weeks, they are going to be planted along the fence line because they need to vine up. So, and then we're going to be planting peas as well, and they have to be planted around the fence line as well because they have to vine up. So that is what we are going to be doing. And I'm sure I don't think that the husband wants to be on camera, but he has been working his behind on. So that is all for this video. Have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.